Hello, and welcome to the Surgical Technology Program. My name is Michelle Gay. I am the Program Chair for the Surgical Technology Program. Have you ever seen a surgical video and wonder who all the people are that are in the surgical suite? A surgical technologist is one of the important team members that are scrubbed into those procedures. Surgical technologists prepare operating rooms, equipment, and assist surgeons during the surgeries. Surgical technologists are integral members of the operating room team, which most commonly also include your surgeon, your anesthesiologist, your nurse anesthetist, and your circulating nurses. Surgical technologists typically prepare operating rooms for surgery. They also sterilize equipment and make sure that there's adequate supplies for the procedure. They prepare patients for surgery by washing and disinfecting the incision sites, positioning the patients, prepping the patients with appropriate prep and sterile drapes, take the patients to and from the operating room, and they also prepare sterile solutions and medications that are used in surgery. It is also the responsibility of the surgical technologist to check all surgical equipment and to make sure that it's working properly. Surgical technologists help surgeons during the surgery by passing them instruments and other sterile supplies. They may also retract and expose the surgical site during the surgery. Surgical technologists have a direct hands-on role assisting surgeons during their procedure. For instance, they may help suction and retract at the incision site. They also handle specimens that are taken for laboratory analysis. Surgical technologists apply dressings and other bandages to the incision site postoperatively as well. Work of the surgical technologist spans from the routine procedures to the emergent and most critical procedures with a focus on saving lives and promoting healing. Surgical technologists are mostly employed in hospitals or ambulatory surgery centers. They can be also on call during nights, weekends, and holidays if required. The employment of surgical technologists is projected to grow much faster than the average of allied health occupations. Cabarrus College prides itself on our providing exemplary healthcare professionals to our surrounding areas. We currently have 100% job placement, 100% graduate satisfaction, 100% employer satisfaction, and 96% certified surgical technologist pass rates. Our students love being in the operating room with patients in their very first week of the curriculum, as well as lots of hands-on simulation in our mock operating room. If you have any questions, please reach out to myself or our college admissions team. Thank you for your interest.